Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Microsoft Team Project Management, advanced tips and strategies to boost team's efficiency. So here at Microsoft 365, we'll be learning how to give you tips that will advance your learning about Microsoft Teams. So here the project management challenge today, fragmented tools. 46% of team leaders struggle to meet deadlines due to fragmented tools and soiled communication channels. Disconnected apps, disconnected applications lead to duplicated work, lost information, and stalled project progress. The unifications goal is cover how Microsoft Teams can unify project workflow, minimize friction, and empower teams to deliver on time. So, why Microsoft Teams? The central hub for project success. Global adoption over 320 million users worldwide, with a 91% Fortune 100 companies rely on Teams for collaboration. Unified platform combine chats, meeting, file sharing, and task management into one powerful interface. Seamless, seamless integration, built-in compatibility with core Microsoft 365 service like Planner, SharePoint, Loop, and Power Automate. So Teams act as our operating system for modern project delivery, eliminating the need to switch context constantly. Structuring your teams and channel for maximum clarity. Dedicated teams. Create a dedicated team for major projects or functional departments. Work teams challenge. So use challenge. I mean channels. Work. Use channels with the team for specific work streams, deliverable or pace. So pinned resource tabs. So use tabs to pin essential resources like Planner Board, OneNote Notebook, SharePoint document libraries, or relevant website for quick access. And here, mastering task and management with Planner and task in Teams. Planner tabs pin Planner boards directly to channel to assign, track, and update tasks with deadlines, priorities, and attachment. The Task app uses the dedicated Task app powered by To Do and Planner to view all personal and team tasks across the multiple projects in one aggregated view. Automate automate workflows, reduce manual flow ups by using Power Automate to automatically create tasks or send reminders based on external triggers or form form submission. Collaborate in real time with Microsoft Loop and integrated notes. Live loop components, live loop components. Loop components are portable, editable canvas embedded directly into chats, emails, and documents, ensuring data is always live and up to date. Centralized notes, keep notes, and key project documents centralizing in either OneNote or dedicated Loops page linked in the relevant Teams channel tab. Eliminate email overload. The real-time synchronization in Loop and Teams significantly reduce back and forth emails, ensuring everyone stays aligned instantly. Loop components keep information consistent across multiple apps without copying and pasting. So, advanced communication strategies to boost efficiency, target notification, structures meetings, asynchronous review, target notification use at mention or for the person or at tags for a group or a role to notify only the relevant people, preventing unnecessary distraction for the rest of the team. Structured meeting, schedule focus projects meetings using the integrated team calendar. Ensure all required materials and meetings notes are attached for hand. Asynchronous review, record or projects meeting and utilize automatic transcription features. Share the recording link and transcriptions immediately for easy asynchronous review by absent team members. overcoming common implementation challenge, use adoption hurdles, provide role-based training, separate training for project manager versus team members, and create easily accessible on-demand resource and guides. Integration issue, ensure smooth project execution by aligning the team structure and integration with your existing Microsoft 365 infrastructure and security policies. Change management, develop clear change management plans plans focusing on why and and how to build confidence and internal champions for the new workflows. Real life workflow example, how Amy message project in Teams. A quick introduction. Amy is a senior project manager uses an advanced integrated approach to manage a complex product development cycle. So structure, teams are structured by major project phase, initiation, execution, and closure, with channels for function, teams, and deliverables. Task tracking uses Planner tabs for highly level task management and Microsoft List for granular tracking for specific assets, inventory, or approval workflow. Automation integrates Power Automate to trigger notification in the relevant channel when an item status change in Microsoft List or a deadline approaches in a planner. So documentation, all work documents are collaborated on via Loop components and stored in the Team SharePoint site, accessible through a pinned tab. So in my final discussion, unlock your team's potential with Microsoft Teams project management, centralized communication, automotive routine tasks, deliver fast and smarter, visualize progress, increase efficiency, leverage M365 tool. Start today by optimizing your team structure, adopting integrated tools like Planner and Loop, and empowering your team with these advanced strategies. So there you go, guys. If you have any more question about Microsoft Teams 365 or any tools here, just tap it on the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.